Hi everyone, this is Vidur and I'm a senior systems engineer in Juniper Networks for Mist Wireless. In this video today, we'll understand the SLE successful connects in the Mist dashboard. Okay, so before we begin, let me check if all the settings are done right. I just need to make this for last 7 days so that I get some good data here. The site live demo we already have here, and this is the SLE that I want you to look at, successful connects. Okay, so what this basically mean is all the clients which did not give up on the SSID and which were able to successfully connect on the network. Okay, so everybody who was able to successfully connect will come in the positive percentage here. Okay, and so this means 87% of the people were able to successfully connect, and 13% of the people or the clients gave up on the SSID and they did not connect on the internet. So if you remember from our last video, we talked about time to connect, in which we define the threshold or our goal in which we want the clients to get onboarded, right? So in successful connects, we kind of capture the clients who were successfully able to get on the internet, may or may not within the time defined in time to connect. Okay, so whoever got on the internet is positive. Whoever gave up on the SSID is going to be in the negative percentage. So means 13% of the people here did not connect on the SSID successfully, or did not go on the internet successfully. So out of those 13%, I see the subclassifiers because the RC has already been done on those 13%. So we'll see what's really going on. I see out of those 13%, 97% of the issue is with authorization. Okay, let me quickly click on that and see where it takes me. It takes me to the next page where I see the SCD and I see the classifiers here. So this is the percentage. I see 97% of the people are not able to go on because of authorization problems. If I click on this button, this will give me the number of attempts that have failed for authorization. And if I click on this button, I see number of users getting affected because of this problem. So this is really helpful for us to understand how successful connects looks like, and how we want to look at it from the percentage of the number or the number of users getting affected. Okay, this is what a successful connect SLA is. So if you see some sort of a problem in the network, if you see clients not able to go on to the internet and failing to connect, that would be captured in the successful connect SLE. Okay, uh, thank you guys. That's all I wanted to basically show you in this video. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you drop in a message in the comments and I'll address that. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful day.